How's it going, everyone? Razer here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Razer Viper Mini Signature Edition. Razer really put a lot of attention to the unboxing experience, which is nice, I guess, especially if you're paying over 300 euros for a mouse. So this is like a welcome pamphlet with a Million Tank signature. This like explains the theory or this philosophy behind it, the most expensive mouse in Razer's lineup. Let's get the paper box out of the way. It's really cool that the paper box has snakes logos all over it. And now this is the real deal. So we have to, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there is like a lock in here, which you have to open. So I'm just going to do it really gently. And now open the case, and wow, this is really great. I mean, the box alone probably costs a fortune. And inside there is the mouse, and it's super light. It's really light with a lot of cutouts at the back. I'm just surprised that Razer didn't do any cutouts at the bottom, but we'll discuss it later on. But the mouse is really small, really compact, really nice looking, really nice feeling as well. You can, even though it's really small and has a lot of holes in it, it feels that the first impression, it feels like it's really sturdy and really well made. No creaks whatsoever, doesn't give in. But after all, it's a magnesium alloy here, so it should be durable. It should be really strong. Let's get the foil out of the way. And yeah, overall, it really reminds me of the Razer Viper Ultimate or the classic mini wired version. It looks great. The scroll wheel is really nice, feels really good. I think it's metal as well. So let's see the buttons. Let's do a quick sound test for the buttons. Very clicky, very light to press. I really like it. Now let's test those buttons. And yeah, the signature Razer click with optical switches. It's okay, it's fine. It's not too bad. I think they improved it a bit. It's really sharp, really light to press. And the buttons, there is a slight wobble, but I think I've seen worse from Razer. This is okay. This is acceptable. Most of the mice behave like that, so it's okay. Yeah, the overall experience, wow, this looks and feels really premium. I really like it. Let's see what else is in the box. This is a manual with some stickers inside. Okay, so here we have the grip tape, which you can attach to your mouse, which should improve the grip, but honestly, I don't think the mouse really needs it. It feels really grippy as it is. And here we have additional set of mouse feet. A really cool addition from Razer to include glass mouse feet, which you can replace the standard stock feet with. It's really cool, really, I guess, makes the purchase a bit less painful for your wallet, as you already get the glass feet. You also get a standard set of PTFE mouse feet. So if you have a glass mouse pad, this is the ones you should use. Those are only for classic cloth mouse pads. But yeah, it's great from Razer that included as well. So yeah, inside, apart from that, we also have a cable for charging your mouse, and then a dongle adapter, dongle for extending your wireless connectivity to your mouse. And that's it. I will do a full review of the mouse later on when I have some time to play with it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Laser, and I'll see you soon.